Address found. Great. We'll just go with good old manual installation. 64-bit, yes. That'll be funny if that will be a Trojan as well. Let's move to installation of Linux. This should go a little bit smoother. And we'll start the same way. We search for nim language. That will take us to their front page. Can go install nim, and this time we use a Unix system. And here, straight away, the recommended way is to install using choose nim. All we need to do is the command. This is a command taken from the choose nim repository. So what we need for that is basically a terminal. So all we need to do is on our machine, you just paste in the command and run it. I won't agree to the telemetry data. Okay. So no C compiler found. Install GCC using your favorite package manager. Okay, so we do sudo apt install GCC. That should solve our problem. And by the way, this is Ubuntu server. So this is basically straight up Ubuntu, so it should work relatively easily. So now I can run the command. There we go. It's that simple. You make sure you have C compiler installed, you run the command, and then at the end we just need to remember that in case of Ubuntu, we need to place the following line in the profile or bash rc file. So I'm gonna copy this thing and let's do nano.bash rc. I can run .bash rc because I'm already in my home folder, and we can go all the way to the end and simply paste our export. And this will make sure that the binaries of nim are accessible from the command line. So to save, we do Control X, and this will ask us if we want to save it, and we press Y to yes, and enter to confirm the name. And now we just need to do source bash rc. And now, after all that, we can just do nim version. There we go. We have nim compiler version 2.02 installed. That's all there is to it.